A lot of people have asked me to make a video on how to exchange points for coins, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. So stick to the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe. You tap on your balance, points balance. When you tap on your points balance, it's going to take you here where you're going to tap exchange points for coins. Tap on exchange points for coins. It's going to take you to where you are going to exchange. So you either choose if you want to exchange 500,000 points to 450,000 coins, or you want to exchange 100,000 points to 90,000 coins. So your balance must be 100,000 points, because that's the minimum amount you can exchange, amount of points you can exchange. So I don't have up to that. I'm just using this to describe and to explain how to exchange points for coins. So immediately you're done with that, just input the verification code that you see below here, input it inside here. When you input it, then you just confirm after choosing the one you want to. If you want to use 500,000 or 100,000 points, then you confirm. Immediately you confirm, you exchange coins, and that's all. Agent's account is slightly different from an ordinary host account, so I decided to show you this to see the difference. If I want to change 100,000 points to coins, it will be giving me 92,000, unlike normal host who will be credited 90,000. So me, for agents like me, our coins, when we exchange it to points, when we exchange points to coins, it will be credited into our selling wallet, that's agent wallet, where we can still resell the coin, you get. So but I think for normal hosts, it will be credited directly to your consumption wallet. So guys, if you've gotten something tangible from this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to everyone. Guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.